From mountain pose, bend the right knee, shifting all the weight into the left leg. Turn the right knee to the right wall, resting the heel against the left leg. Look down at the floor and stare at a point. Slowly slide the right foot up the left leg, only as high as you can to maintain balance. Don't press the foot against the knee at any point. Keep staring at your focal point. If you're balanced here, you can try the next stage, which is on inhaling, raise the arms over your head. The arms are in a H position, or the palms are together with the thumbs crossed, or the fingers can be interlaced. Any position works, and the fingers are reaching up and the shoulders back and down. To release, slowly exhale the arms down and then release the legs back to mountain pose.